3 pills, 7 days, 1 body. I didn't expect this experiment to mess me up, but it did. And before you judge, this wasn't about pleasure. It was about finding the truth. Day 1, the start of the test. I've seen hundreds of ads promising instant results, but I wanted to know, what really happens when a normal guy tries 3 different ED pills in 1 week? No filters, no sponsors, just raw reality. Day 1 started with the most famous one. Let's just say it worked too well. My body felt like a machine, but my head, something was off. By night, my heartbeat was racing. Next morning, headache, dry mouth, zero focus. I realized the side effects hit harder than the results. I looked in the mirror. I barely recognized myself, tired, distracted, searching for answers. So on day 3, I switched to a natural one. They said no chemicals, all safe. But guess what? Nothing happened, not even a spark. It was like swallowing disappointment. That's when I realized these things play with your head more than your body. Then came day 5, the third one. This pill had amazing reviews, and honestly, it shocked me. No crazy rush, no headache, no crash. But here's the twist. It worked because I wasn't anxious this time. It hit me. My biggest problem wasn't physical, it was mental. The truth hit hard. 7 days later, I didn't just test pills. I tested patience, fear, and self-control. And the result? Most men don't need stronger pills. They need stronger peace of mind. No ad will tell you that. But I just did. If you've ever tried one of these, tell me your experience below. The truth deserves to be heard, not sold. Subscribe if you want real results, not fake promises.